I want to show you how I'm gonna be transforming this filming space into white. Hey, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to another video. I want to transform this wall here from this blue color to white. So let's just get straight into the video. Guys, if this is your first time here and you're not yet subscribed to me, click on the red button below here and subscribe for more videos. I share videos on natural beauty, DIYs and health. This is my paint. I'm going to use this basin here because I have a roller and a brush, which will make work more easier for me. This is the first layer of the paint. This is how it was before. So I'm gonna just repeat another layer so that it can look alike. I'm done with this side, and what is remaining on this side is me to just paint the second layer. Yeah, I'm not even exhausted. So guys, the room is coming through. I need to repaint the second layer, and then I'm gonna show you what I've done. So far I've been able to paint this wall and this other one. This one is done. I don't need to repaint again. I just painted this on 2 layers. Yeah, and this one is 1 layer. You see there is a huge difference. I need to paint the second layer and then call it done. So I'm going to show you once I'm done. Finally, I'm done like painting the whole room. I have a little paint remaining, so what I do, I just paint these bottles so that I can decorate like this one. I don't want to throw away the paint. These papers are down, everything is done. I need to clean the whole, I have to clean the whole place, and then I'm gonna show you how the place looks like once I'm done, cleaning. These are the bottles which I've already painted and have a lot of them. I need another one which I'm going to paint in white, and other ones I'm gonna paint different colors. I have gray, but I'm not going to use a paint. I'm going to use a spray paint, which is much better. Let me finish up cleaning this place, then I'm gonna show you once I'm done.